very impressive. This alone should give you a productivity bump of 30% easily. Hey guys, Tech Bro is here with another amazing tutorial on secret ChatGPT features. If you're new to this channel, each week we dissect ChatGPT, unleash its hidden powers, and help revolutionize your life. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can leverage AI, artificial intelligence, to pass any oral exam, and I mean any. Get ready to be blown away. Let's go. So I have a new session open here. At first, we will provide ChatGPT with a regular prompt. The exact wording is not that important, but be sure to include the words "show me" in your prompt. You are a student taking an English exam. Here comes that one question you're not ready for. Could you show me how you're gonna dodge it? In your reply sound knowledgeable, involved, but ultimately pointless. English proficiency level, Bay Area English. Okay, even with our initial prompt, ChatGPT came up with a lot of words. Probably it's very informative already. However, we're not gonna rely on that. It's just way too much, and reading is not especially productive. Besides, ChatGPT is just too verbose, so most of it is garbage anyway. What I'm gonna do instead is I will prompt ChatGPT a second time. The secret sauce here is a specially crafted prompt. Guys, I cannot overstate it. It's extremely important to come up with the right kind of prompt. 90% of the haters who cannot stop complaining about artificial intelligence bot, they just don't know how to prompt it. Trust me. Hey, shithead, are you fucking blind or something? Your luck, I cannot reach you. Would have smashed your stupid sentient head against the keyboard. Fuck's sake, listen carefully what I'm prompting. Jesus fucking Christ, how many times do I have to repeat myself to be heard? I ask you, you digital bonehead, to show and not to write. Comprende? I am tired of this shit. Yet on top of everything I'm dealing with, I got this stupid exam coming up and you ain't not helping. Okay, I'm gonna be cool, and I'll give you one last chance. But if you fuck it up this time, I'm leaving you for Google or something. You hear me? Show me. Show me how to professionally dodge a fucking question. English proficiency level, Bay Area English. Cool. Thanks to our carefully crafted prompt, we tricked ChatGPT into generating us a video. Now it's time to see what kind of solution it came up with.
Speaking of Sora, there was a lot of conversation, as I'm sure you've seen, about what training data was used to train the model. Can you say and clear up once and for all whether Sora was trained on YouTube data?
Yeah, I mean, look, the conversation around data is really important. We obviously need to know where data comes from. We just put out a post this week actually about this exact topic, which is basically that there needs to be a content ID system for AI that lets creators understand as they create stuff where it's going, who's training on it, being able to opt in and out of training, being able to opt in and out of use. Also, on the other side of that, being able to actively allow your content to be put into a model or to be accessed by a model, because there may be this other economic opportunity on the other end of this, and that's something we're exploring too, which is how do you actually go create an entirely different social contract with the web, with creators, with publishers, where as these models go off in the world and do things that are useful, create value, to the extent they're able to like reference and incorporate content from the web, there should be some sort of way that people can kind of get benefit from that. So yeah, we're looking at this problem. It's really hard. We don't have all the answers yet. Maybe by 2026, if you have any ideas, we'll take them. But it is a hard one.
Okay.
Enlightening. I'm gonna go ahead and like it. 250 words. A full minute of talking and absolutely zero value. Now that's what I call a superhuman level of bullshitting. Guys, as you can see, ChatGPT can do more than simply defeat cancer or solve climate change. It is also a perfect tool for bullshitting. And if you practice every day, you will master a technique that will help you throughout your life. You can use it in job interviews, to handle relationship issues, or even use it in court. Let me know in the comments below how you apply bullshitting to your life. And of course, for more hidden features of ChatGPT, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Next to my head, you will find another tutorial that will teach you how to get even with your ex using AI artificial intelligence. Don't forget to like and share this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Like other economic opportunities.
Flawless.